For over a decade, the incredible discovery of soft tissue inside dinosaur bones has rocked the evolutionary world. All evidence shows dinosaurs did not die out millions of years ago, but lived recently. Then died out mostly during the global flood, as described in the Bible. In this episode of Dino Hunter, Jeremy McLaughlin explores the discovery of dinosaur soft tissue and how it was ridiculed by evolutionary scientists, but how paleontologist Mary Schweitzer proved them wrong. Then, in 2012, creationist Mark Armitage took Mary's research and found his own soft tissue, adding to the incredible discovery which supports the biblical worldview. See amazing video of soft tissue and microscopic photos of dinosaur blood vessels, red blood cells, collagen, and osteocytes, tissue that should not exist if dinosaur fossils are millions of years old. All this and more in the Discovering Dinosaur Soft Tissue episode of Dino Hunter.
Thanks for watching our trailer. Awesome Science Media has produced over 50 hours of great kids programs and documentaries on science from a biblical worldview. Want to see it all? The two best ways are streaming it on our Patreon channel or purchasing it for download on our online store. You can also buy some of our content on DVD. Check out the links in this video as well as the video's description. Get access to our full kids programs and documentaries by supporting our Awesome Science Media page on Patreon. Get behind-the-scenes segments, photos, and bonus interviews. There are also complete curriculum guides, teacher guides, student guides, and discussion tools. There are fun extras like coloring pages, word finds, and activity sheets. Plus, supporter-only updates, live hangouts, podcasts, and blogs. Sign up for free to get our updates or cancel at any time with any of our monthly paid plans. Don't want to subscribe? Have it your way. You can just purchase our content and teaching materials. Every option supports us to reach even more families worldwide with faith-building science content. Sign up today at patreon.com/Awesome Science Media. Or buy our content and download it from our online store at awesomescienceshop.com. You can purchase individual programs or save money and buy the entire series. Each title comes with a download link for your local device, plus a streaming link if you want to use that instead. Our online store also includes teacher resources, merchandise, and additional resources such as books and guides. Check us out today at awesomescienceshop.com. See the link below to access our full episodes.